Hi, I'm Nick Zebio. I work for Key Information Systems. I've been with Key for about 6.5 years now. Prior to that, I started my career at IBM for about 7 years. One way that I try to differentiate myself is blame it on my IBM background, but I try to stay as knowledgeable as I can across the gambit of IBM hardware, software, and services. I feel this is pretty beneficial to my customers because I can present them with multiple options, not just a parallel perspective on a certain hardware or software technology. I think Key's a really good environment to foster that kind of perspective just because we have such a steady resource pool to pick and choose from, and I think overall my customers have benefited from that. Many of them have gone across the board in the way of servers with Key or storage or software with Key, and I think that's primarily a result of me bringing in different engineers and resources that specialize in those areas and have helped me succeed. I think an example of where this has kind of benefited my customers is if I were to work with them on a server solution, let's say that server boots from SAN, well, that's an opportunity then to bring in my storage engineer and talk about the benefits of that architecture. Or they might be paralleling that with some kind of e-commerce application. That's an opportunity to bring in my WebSphere, my software team to work on that type of solution. So the point being is that oftentimes one project will pave the way for something else or correlates with something else, and by having a more broad knowledge base, it typically helps me to extend any kind of Key service that we can offer them.